Alright guys, want to do a little recap video here of the stihl 036 Pro with the cdh88 pipe or expansion chamber. Not gonna lie, we just did it quick and dirty to just get some baselines to see kind of how the saw performed with this pipe. Even though I know it's not designed for the port timing of this engine, for 80 bucks I'll roll the dice, but just fits on there with the factory bend. We'll see if we end up kind of cutting and re-welding this a little bit, but I just wanted to share kind of where we're just currently at with it. I think I'm gonna try it out on a few other saws I got that it might easily bolt up to, but this one was a good test subject, because the brake flag was already seen better days, and it's pretty close to that pipe there. But I have a video of it cutting in the some silver maple and some hickory, but I think it ran pretty good with it. I think it definitely made a power increase, which isn't bad for, like I said, not being optimized for the port timing, and that flange really doesn't really line up with the factory ports well. But like I said, for quick and dirty, I think there was a decent power increase. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more on this pipe. We'll do a kind of like a little series on it. We'll like I said, post it, bolt it up on a few other saws that I got. Then we'll start playing around with it, whether we change the length of that stinger or do a mid bleed pipe, for the sake of my neighbors. But stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.